When it comes to increasing the value of your home, many homeowners consider improvements like kitchen remodels or fresh landscaping. However, one of the most impactful upgrades that often goes overlooked is window installation. Whether you're looking to sell or simply want to enjoy a more comfortable living space, installing new windows in your Sanford home can bring a significant return on investment. Here's how replacing your windows can not only improve your home's appearance but also its overall value. Enhanced curb appeal. The exterior of your home is the first thing potential buyers notice, and windows play a crucial role in how your house is perceived. If your current windows are outdated, cracked, or have worn out frames, they can make even the most beautiful home look tired. New, energy-efficient windows can completely transform your home's facade, giving it a fresh, modern look. Whether you choose sleek, contemporary windows or something more traditional, the right window style will complement your home's design and enhance its curb appeal. Buyers are drawn to homes that look well maintained, and a home with new windows suggests that it's been taken care of, increasing its appeal. This initial positive impression can help set your property apart from others in the Sanford market and even help it sell faster. Energy efficiency and saving. One of the primary reasons homeowners opt for new window installations is the potential for energy savings. Older windows, especially those with single panes or inefficient seals, can let drafts and moisture into your home, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. This not only leads to higher utility bills but can also reduce the comfort of your living space. New, energy-efficient windows are designed to better insulate your home, keeping it warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer. Energy-efficient windows come with advanced features like low-E glass coatings, gas fills, and insulated frames that help regulate your home's temperature. As a result, you can lower your energy costs, and buyers are often willing to pay a premium for homes with upgraded, energy-efficient features. This can result in a significant increase in the overall value of your home in Sanford, where energy costs can fluctuate throughout the year. Improved safety and security. The old windows can pose a security risk. They may not lock properly, are easy to break, or fail to provide a strong barrier against the elements. Replacing your windows with modern, high-quality models offers improved security, which is a top concern for potential buyers. Many new windows come with reinforced frames and multi-locking systems that make it more difficult for intruders to enter your home. Additionally, modern windows are designed to be more resistant to breakage, offering an extra layer of protection for your family. For buyers, knowing that a home has secure, durable windows can be a big selling point. As safety becomes a growing concern for many homeowners, installing new windows can elevate your property's appeal and value. Noise reduction. Sanford is a beautiful place to live, but like any community, it has its share of noise, whether from traffic, neighbors, or even local events. If your windows are old and inefficient, they may let in more sound, making your home feel less peaceful. Installing new windows, especially those with soundproofing qualities, can drastically reduce noise from outside, creating a quieter and more tranquil living environment. Homes with better noise control are especially attractive in busy neighborhoods or urban areas. Buyers will appreciate the comfort and peace of mind that comes with a quieter home, which can contribute to a higher perceived value. Increase in property value. Ultimately, all of these benefits, improved curb appeal, energy efficiency, safety, and noise reduction, contribute to an overall increase in your home's market value. A study from the National Association of Realtors has shown that homeowners can recoup a significant portion of their investment when they install new windows. In Sanford, where homebuyers are always looking for ways to save on energy bills and improve the aesthetics of their potential homes, window replacements can provide a noticeable return on investment. In addition to the immediate financial advantages, homes with modern windows are more likely to attract higher offers, making the window installation an excellent strategy for those looking to sell. Even if you aren't planning to sell right away, the long-term value and comfort that new windows bring to your home are undeniable. Conclusion: if you're looking for an effective way to increase your home's value in Sanford, installing new windows is a smart and cost-effective option. Not only will you improve your home's aesthetics and energy efficiency, but you'll also boost its marketability and appeal to potential buyers. By choosing to invest in window replacements, you're not just enhancing your home's appearance, you're making a wise decision that will pay off in both comfort and resale value.